Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Sunday morning, and as you see there in front of you, I have a shop card shout out um, from Manny's Scale Modeling. Yeah, this is a super cool card. I'll bring it in a little bit closer for you guys. Great looking builds. Love 55 Chevy. The old pickup, I think that's a 30 or a 40 something pickup. Sorry guys, I don't know my old pickups that well, and the only old pickup I built's the 50 Chevy, and then the Chevelle. That's really cool. And Manny, I appreciate the kind words on the back. One other thing a couple other things he sent with that is I got a sticker. If that'll focus. And then he sent me a couple other stickers. I think these are sponsors of his channel. I have not tried one of these airbrushes, but maybe one of these days I can get one. And then the Typhoon paint mixer. This thing would be fun. I'd like to try one of these someday too. We'll see. This thing's kind of expensive, but I guess it does a really good job. But anyway, guys, yeah, that's Manny's card. And again, any of my subscribers not subscribed to him, do yourself a favor and run over there and subscribe to his channel. This is going to be a short one, guys. The only other thing that I got done is I did spray some clear on the 50 Chevy, and I think it's turned out pretty decent. Hold on here while I move you around a little bit. Let's see, we've got cab and the hood. Hope that's showing up good for you guys. And then I've got the fenders and the bed over here. I had the cab and the hood in the dehydrator yesterday for about 10 hours. So I might try to do some polishing on that today. If I get anything done, I'll do another update. Otherwise, I hope you all are having a great weekend, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.